Hi everyone, I'm Daria Banerjee from the Banner Law Firm, an estate planning and business attorney in the Bay Area, California. My number is 650-383-7663. I hope you're doing well this week. But today I would like to talk about a small estate under California Probate Code. So now Californians can avoid probate if the total value of the estate does not exceed the new limit. The new limit has been increased since January 2020 to $166,000. In a small estate, you can use an affidavit to transfer decedent's assets and avoid a formal probate process. But what is really considered a small estate in California? As of January 2020, a small estate means that the aggregate value of all assets cannot exceed $166,000. And the real property limit under California law is $55,000. There's also a 6-month waiting period for real estate transfer. But how is $166,000 really calculated? You may be surprised that despite a large payout, someone's estate may still be considered small estate. And let's discuss this why. In your affidavit, you include the description of the properties which needs court's approval. But the following properties are excluded from calculating the value. Such properties mean any real estate which is outside of California, joint tenancy property, property that goes outright to the surviving spouse, life insurance, death benefits, and other assets which are not subject to probate and that pass directly to the named beneficiaries, multi-party accounts and payable on death accounts, any registered, manufactured, or mobile homes, any numbered vessels, and any registered motor vehicles, and any salary that was due to the decedent up to $16,000, and other amounts due to the decedent from serving in armed forces. And this also includes any property that is held in a trust, including a living trust. So you see that despite large chunks that are being paid to beneficiaries, someone's estate may still be considered small under the California law, because whatever is being paid directly to the beneficiaries is excluded from calculations of small estate. So how do you really determine if the estate qualifies as a small estate? You simply create a spreadsheet which includes the value of the decedent's personal and real property. And if the assets are valued less than $166,000, the estate is considered small estate under California law. So how do you go about opening a small estate? To use this procedure, there cannot be an already opened probate case. The request must include the following information: the county where the decedent's person lived before death, or the name of the county where the properties are being held, the approximate value of the estate, the description of the property and the beneficiaries which are asking for it, then the name, age, address, and relationship to the decedent's person of each beneficiary, and the executor's name. Many still find this process overwhelming, especially if you're already dealing with grief. An attorney may assist you through this process and mainstream it. This was a brief overview. However, many situations have their own specifics, their own difficulties. I encourage you to contact an attorney. If you would like to schedule an appointment with me, you can do it on my Facebook page or on my website, www.bannerlawfirm.com, or by calling 650-383-7663. Till next time.